Well, hi there. We're getting ready to put on one of these John Deere suicide knobs. They got a lot of different names. I got a kit from John Deere. It's actually kit number 1TY27746, made in China. What a great option for John Deere to do that. Anyway, I've done some test fitting, getting ready to put it on. This little knob came with a couple different brackets. As you can see, there's one. Has several different screws. Seems like the longest ones work best. It's the second bracket. Seems like it fit the best. Also had this little adapter that goes on. Makes your steering ball come out flat. So, let's go over here. Look at the lawnmower here. Got me one of these S130s John Deere. It's a couple years old. It's been a good mower. Can't complain about it. But we're going to turn around and put this ball on it. And of course we have the plastic steering wheel from John Deere, so we know we're not going to be able to tighten it up very well. Grab this knob and get it over here. Show you how I'm going to put it on. The little black piece goes on the inside, and then bracket, there's a little notch inside this steering wheel that little bracket fit right into, so pretty good. Get the screw through. On there. Tighten up that screw. It's actually a 7/16. So tighten up each side a little bit at a time. Want to be pretty careful on here. Don't want to break the steering wheel. Again, it is plastic. But we want to make sure it's tight enough that it doesn't slip around. I think that'd be good. Seems pretty secure. As you can see, a nice little fitment there. Guess we try it out. Fire it up here real quick, see if it works. Sure it will. Guess we better open the garage door. Again, this is from John Deere. It is John Deere part. They make a lot of different knockoffs or universal fit models. I just figured, means I had the John Deere, I'd go ahead and go with the John Deere knob. We'll try her out. Should work all right. Oh yeah, that's all right. Yeah, let's not hit the wife's car. Yep, it works. I know we can use some grease on this steering though. That's going to be the next one. Thanks a lot. Have a good day, guys.